Dimitri, where's the big obstacles to overcome, or what are the key opportunities?
I think before COVID, we already have a health crisis with the aging population, with the over-demand coming through and the shortage of skilled workforce in our healthcare system. So that's the problem that we're solving, and I think that's going to be exaggerated further with COVID. We see that the same problem that we solve is now being recognized by a lot more stakeholders, that they see the same problem that we solve. I think the more general point is, as a startup company, and we look around to our peers, company at a similar stage of development like ourselves, we're really concerning because we know that every time there is any kind of financial crisis or economic crisis, about 12 months later, you have a wave of startups falling over because the VC market always about 12 months behind the public market. And as the public market recovers, the VC money starts going down. And then it's very hard for entrepreneurs, very hard for startups who actually staying the same is not the same. Because staying the same meaning that you already be 12 months behind because you always invest for 12 months in advance. So staying the same is not even positive, it's already a negative for startups. So I think if you look overseas, like in the UK or in the US, the dedicated effort to make sure that the startup economy continue to go so that you don't lose a whole generation of startups company who cannot access funding. And I think that that's going to be a challenge for startups overall. We're very lucky that we complete our cap raise quite recently and ready for the next phase. But we know a lot of startups that preparing to go into cap raise in the next 6 months, and it's going to be very challenging.